Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on the application of the evaluation feature in your reports. What is the evaluation feature? The evaluation feature was developed to help the technical experts of the WE system to check reports provided to them. The evaluation feature focuses on checking the plausibility of data entries. Compare with the inspect feature, with which the completeness of reports is checked. The evaluation does not replace the individual detailed check of reports, so you may also find individual controller remarks in your reports. Relevant aspects of the evaluation feature are: only combinations used in your reports are shown. Only entries with all key fields filled in or chosen are shown. Other ones, like missing data inputs, are covered by the normal auto-inspection. See Inspect. Only system users may set the evaluation rules. You, as reporter, may only see all the combinations occurring in your reports and use them for correcting the reports. Evaluation rules are derived from reports, but they are also applied for the inspection of packages and tasks. Add tasks. For security, you may not see combinations occurring in your tasks in the evaluation list, even if you are the task receiver, the fulfiller. Nevertheless, as task receiver, using the auto-inspection for your tasks, you will see the warnings coming from evaluation rules in the overview or the graph. How to see all evaluation results. You will see the results of evaluation of all your reports when you choose the submenu Evaluation under Summaries. You will come to a page Evaluation Select Content, at which the evaluation option, output fraction technology, and the evaluation choice all are set as default values. If you want to see and work with combinations evaluated as not okay, choose Evaluation Rules and press the search button. For the evaluation options and their planned application, see the video Evaluation Options, some examples, under Videos for Administrators. You just have to click them and see evaluation results. Let's go back to output fraction technology. With other selection fields in the Select Content block, you may limit results of evaluation you want to start to work with. Below the Select Content block, you will find the list of evaluation results. Beside the columns for the entries of the evaluation option, here output fractions and technologies used, there are additional columns for % of total input, usages, evaluation, kind of rule, and controller remarks. Entries in % of total input or weight, depending on the choice it shows, shall give an indication on the mass relevance of this combination. In the column Usages, the figure shows you how often this combination has been used in your reports. If you click the number, you will get a list of reports where this combination is used. The list of reports is done as links to jump into the reports overview, to the treatment step where this combination is used. This feature gives you the option to look at the context in which this combination has been used and, of course, to do possible corrections. In the column Evaluation, you may see the evaluation done by the technical expert, the controller. You should follow the controller remarks given. In case of to be proved, you may have to, depending on agreements with your WE system, attach any approval or similar. Impossible shall be mainly used for technical aspects. You should check your entries if they are correct in case you have to change your entries or your actions. Forbidden shall mainly be used for combinations forbidden by national law or other requirements. You should check your entries if they are correct in case you have to change your entries or your actions. In the column Kind of Rule, you may see if the technical expert, the controller, has set a warning or a blocking. At present, both kind of rule options result in an inspection warning. The option for blocking is at present mainly given as filter option. It is planned that the choice blocking will result in more drastic actions, like a more severe warning or that a report may not be set to done. This has to be agreed. Evaluation results in an individual report and how to solve them. For evaluation combinations not okay, so covered by evaluation rules, the automatic inspection will fire a warning. A red frame in the report package or task graph and as text under warnings from automatic inspection in the overview or the graph. The text the controller has given under controller remarks will be shown. In general, warnings resulting from evaluation rules are shown everywhere where warnings from normal inspection has been shown before. This is, for example, under Inspect, in the graph, in the overview, when warnings from automatic inspection is selected, and in PDF export files if warnings from automatic inspection is chosen. Warnings coming from evaluation will be given separately under the subheadline Warnings from Evaluation. If you see warnings from automatic inspection, you shall try to solve them. You should check if data you have entered are correct, in case you have to adapt your choice, or in case your actions, e.g. change the chosen technology, see one of the examples, deliver output fractions classified as hazardous waste to appropriate technologies. If you change and choose a combination, the warning will disappear, but the evaluation will remember entries, combinations judged as not okay. So if you will use a wrong combination at any time again, you will get a warning again. For the evaluation options and examples of use, please see the video Evaluation Options and some examples under Videos for Administrators. For more information on the correct use of the RepTool, please have a look at the guidance document, Issues of Harmonization, provided at our website. Good luck with using the evaluation feature.